What are oral arguments in a criminal motion hearing? Imagine standing before a judge, trying to convince them why a certain piece of evidence should be thrown out or why charges should be dropped. That's what oral arguments are all about. They happen during pre-trial motions, which are requests made before the actual trial begins. These motions can be about many things, like suppressing evidence or dismissing charges. Once a motion is filed, a hearing is scheduled where both sides get to speak directly to the judge. During this time, attorneys present their reasons why the judge should rule in their favor. Oral arguments are not just about reading a prepared speech. They are a chance to clarify points, respond to the other side's arguments, and persuade the judge. The defense might argue that evidence was obtained illegally and should be excluded. The prosecution will counter that the evidence is valid and should be admitted. These presentations often include references to laws, previous court decisions, and facts relevant to the case. The judge listens carefully, asks questions to understand better, and then makes a decision. Sometimes the judge rules immediately after hearing the arguments. Other times, they take time to think and issue a written decision later. These arguments are very important because they can influence the course of the case. For example, if the judge grants a motion to suppress evidence, it might weaken the prosecution's case significantly. For defense attorneys, mastering oral arguments is key. It's their chance to challenge the prosecution's case before trial even begins. Good oral advocacy can lead to evidence being thrown out, charges being dismissed, or even resolving the case without a trial. Preparing well involves understanding the legal issues, anticipating questions from the judge, and being clear and concise. Not all motions requiring oral arguments. Some are decided based only on written papers. But when the motion is important, the oral presentation can make a big difference. It's a vital part of navigating the criminal justice system and making sure a defendant's rights are protected. So, in essence, oral arguments are the courtroom's way of giving both sides a fair shot to explain their case before the trial starts.